Hi, today I'll be showing you how to do the shade verification procedure on Shadepilot software. Right now, let's open the Shadepilot software on my desktop. It's over here. Double click on it. And it shows you that instrument is not, because the computer is not connected with the instrument. So let's click cancel here. Okay. Now, let's open the patient database usage bar, which is over here. Click here, and here is our patient for today. Her name is Winnie. Winnie had a crown on her right upper lateral incisor. Okay. First of all, I will drag one of the images over here. This is actually the image of the finished porcelain crown, and the crown was placed on the shade verification cast, which is like this. Okay, normally for a tooth or a crown, I usually take 3 images in case I need more information in the future. Okay, so this is the porcelain crown image. Let's go to the date when we did the shape matching for her. This is the contralateral tooth image. Let's drag one out. I'm sorry. Just drag one out here. Okay. Right now there are 2 images here, but they are in different orientation. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to match these 2 images, and I have to synchronize them, so to speak. So first thing to do is to flip one of the images. I prefer to flip the contralateral tooth image because it's my personal preference. So here I click R, means the right hand side image. Click this button, flip horizontally, then the tooth 22 image was flipped. So next step, I need to synchronize them, 2 images together, so the 2 tooths can be overlapped together. So click this button here, synchronize. Move a little bit. Of course, you can choose to move the left hand side image, which is the porcelain crown. In this case, it's the red line image. But for now, I would just choose to move the green one. Okay, it looks okay, but I'm gonna do a little bit rotate over here. Just click this button here just to show you this is possible to rotate a little bit and move a little bit more. Okay, it looks to me it's matched, so let's click apply here. These 2 images, the image of the crowns and the natural tooth, the locations are perfectly matched. They are overlapped. So right now I have the opportunity to measure the shade data on both images of the same side of the tooth. Alright, so let's click this button here. It says synchronous measurement, which means I need them to measure the exact same position. I need to take the data from the same position. So let's drag a big hole, big circle or ellipse. Okay, like this. A set of data will come out. Before we interpret the data, I need to mention one thing very important is you can notice that I didn't circle the cervical area, because in the study we know that the cervical shade data of shade verification cast is not very reliable, which means it's not accurate actually. So I'll try to avoid those areas. I'll choose the middle third and the incisal third shade data. Okay, let's look at the data over here. Actually, there are two numbers we need to pay attention to. The first number is over here, the delta E value actually. This number should be less than 2. In this case, it's 0.28. It's okay, alright? And the next data we need to know is the total delta E. This data has to be below 3. And it looks to me, in this case, it's 1.55. And it fits the requirement. So, to me, this case, this crown, it is acceptable regarding its shade. So this case, I would give this crown to the patient for trying to see it really fits in the clinical office. This is the whole procedure of shade verification. I hope this will be helpful for you. And if it's possible, try to practice a little bit. You will know how easy this is. Thank you.